G'day, I'm Mal from Sunshower Online and you're watching Sunshower TV. Today we're going to talk about completing a joint in low density poly tube. Here I have a small section of 19mm poly tube. I have a 90-degree elbow, 4 ratchet clips. I have my trusty pipe cutters here. I have my trusty and very experienced multi-grips. Let's just cut off a couple of small sections of poly tube. I'm going to naturally push the barbed end into the poly tube. A little serviceman's tip is sometimes it helps to have a little bit of ready lubricant, which will allow you to wiggle that elbow deep into that poly tube. In the winter time, it can get very stiff. The tube can get quite tight to push on, so it's not a bad idea to boil the kettle, dip the tube into the hot water. Won't have to do it for very long before it's soft enough, and you can complete that joint a little bit easier. Slip straight on. We can expand our ratchet clips around the joint. Just give it a squeeze with your fingers just to start off, like so. And then with your multi-grips, you don't have to apply too much strength. You can crack these if you apply excessive force, but just a firm squeeze. And on the other one. And that's a very secure, low density poly joint.
And that's it. Links to all the products are in the description below, and if you found that video useful, please give it a like and subscribe on YouTube. And better yet, if you've got a project on the go, head to Sunshower Online. We'd be happy to help.